How to connect Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Google Maps to your car using Bluetooth on your iPhone or Android device. First, open your phone's settings. Tap Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now, look for your car's Bluetooth name in the list of available devices and tap it to connect. Once your phone is connected to your car, open the Google Maps app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Settings. Scroll down and select Navigation. Look for the option Play Voice over Bluetooth and turn it on. If your version of Google Maps also shows Play Bluetooth Phone Call, enable that option as well. These settings allow Google Maps navigation instructions to play through your car's Bluetooth audio system. Now, return to the main Google Maps screen and start navigation to your destination. When Google Maps gives you directions, the voice instructions should play through your car's speakers. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth for turn-by-turn navigation. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Google Maps and smartphone tips.